The Boone Children's Gallery in the Hammer Building is always free to children and adults, with hands-on activities related to different aspects of the museum's collection. Story time for young children is held in the Korean galleries next to the Boone Children's Gallery Mondays and Fridays at 2 p.m. The rest of LACMA is always free for children 17 and under, but kids who join LACMA's free NextGen program have access to additional benefits. The best one is that they can bring one adult to the museum with them for free. Kids don't have to live in LA to be members. You can print out and mail in the application from the website or take it with you when you go. Members receive a family guide to the museum, with tips on how to talk to your kids about several different pieces in the permanent collection. Members can check out an art tote with more fun tools to help kids understand the art they see. There's also a free children's audio tour with stories about particular pieces of art. Family Sundays offer special children's programming from 12:30 to 3:30 p.m. nearly every week, with family tours and activities coordinated with special exhibits. There are also a variety of art classes available for children, teens, families, and adults. If you'd like to take your family on a guided museum tour specially designed for kids and it's not a family Sunday, you can book a private Quick Culture for Kids tour.